Hi everybody, happy Monday. Welcome to week 2 of online learning. So this week will be set up same as last week. If you go onto the red folder for this week, you're going to see your learning targets and success criteria and your to-do list. In the red folder where it says Industrial Revolution, you're going to see all of your resources that you need. So for each of the PDFs, you're going to read the information and answer the questions as they go along. And you're going to type your answers into this Word document. So same setup that we did last week. If you have any questions while you're working, don't forget that I have office hours every day from 9 to 11. And that Mr. Rico has office hours from 10 to 12. Our contact information is here under the announcement on the top of the page. Don't forget to submit your attendance just to let me know that you checked in every day. And like I said, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask for help. And I think that's it. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.